Hey y'all know what time it is. We are going to be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing, and also this month they sent me something a little extra special, so we're gonna see what that is. I'm so excited. I love doing these videos because y'all know I love makeup, and so to be an Ipsy Open Studios member is just such an honor. And I love Ipsy. Their brushes are great, all of their products are great, and the thing is they're all like these high quality, mostly like high-end products that you've all known and heard of, and the fact that you get such a good deal on it is just a steal. So I got this big brown box in the mail and I had no idea what it was because it was like really tall, and it's because they sent me like 2 boxes this month. Ignore my dog, she's like breathing heavy and running around and playing. So I have my traditional Ipsy box, and then I have this extra box, and I think we're gonna start with this because I'm really curious about it. So it says refreshments on the top, and I've never heard of this, if it's a brand. And then when you open it up, I haven't looked through any of this, by the way, I just kind of took a little peek. It says, why settle for basics when you can have refreshments? Totally agree. So it looks like we have some fun little stickers. I love stickers, I always have. And this bag is so pretty. It's kind of like, it reminds me of like, I don't know, it's kind of like silky feeling. It's really pretty though, like really pretty. And then we have this Velvety body cream, and this is by the brand Refreshments, and it's in Citrus Spritz. Dive into rich velvety moisture for a royal glow. Let me give it a sniff because that's what's important. Oh, that smells so good. It's definitely citrusy, but I love anything citrusy, so that smells really good. So I'm gonna try that out. Go ahead and subscribe because, you know, like I like to try all of these things in other videos too, and kind of give y'all just like the full rundown. Next, I've actually been needing some of these. These are cleansing face wipes. So this will be great to take my makeup off. I've been needing some of these for quite a while, so I'm so happy that I have some. And we have some Luscious hand cream, and this is also in Citrus Spritz. For some reason my camera will not focus on this hand cream, but the packaging is super duper cute, so I'm very excited. I'm probably gonna keep this in my purse. That was all that was in this box, but thank you so much for including this. This is so nice. Anytime I get anything like PR related or just sent to me for free or for whatever reason, I'm so honored that people even know to send things to me, especially like Ipsy. It's just crazy, and I will forever be so thankful. Now we're just gonna go on into my Ipsy box. And so like I said, this is like an Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, but they did send me an email and let me know that I was gonna get some extra stuff, so we're gonna try to just go with it. But it says discover yourself on the top, and so I have no idea what to expect in here, but I'm so excited because it just looks really stuffed. So I think this must be the Glam Bag. This nice Sherpa. Y'all know I have this thing like against Sherpa, but this is like that good Sherpa that doesn't make your hands feel dry. I know that sounds weird, but if you've been to my channel before, or if you know me, I normally hate Sherpa. Okay, yeah, this is our Glam Bag. So in here you have, oh, I love this primer. So this is the Professional from Benefit. And so it's like a mini sample size of this. I'm trying to like adjust my brightness because it will not focus because it's like too bright, so I apologize for that. So we might have to have it a little bit darker, but this is the Professional primer. And then we have this Perlice. This is a Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore serum. Okay, first of all, every eye serum or thing like for your eyes or face that they have sent, I have absolutely loved, and I have discovered so much good skincare through Ipsy. So this is what this looks like. It's also like a little sample size, but all of their stuff goes like a really long way, especially like with skincare, I feel like. Ooh, more skincare. So we have Murad. This is an Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. This looks amazing. This is like my kind of thing because it's kind of like jelly looking. It says use morning and night, massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. So I feel like I'm gonna love this. I'm very excited to try. Ooh, then we have a Wonder Beauty Skyliner. Let's see if I can get this open. My nails are also really bad, and I know I'm showing you like close-ups of my nails, but I'm getting them done later this week, so promise you next videos hopefully I'll have my nails done. I like this kind because it's kind of like a crayon, but it's extremely creamy, and it goes on really smoothly. That is what was in this little bag, but let's get on to the other stuff because there is like so much in this box. So first, I did take a little peek at this because I just couldn't resist. They sent me a puzzle. Guys, y'all know my biggest thing over quarantine this year has been puzzle building or puzzle making, whatever. It says Happy Holidays from Ipsy Open Studios, and it is a 200-piece puzzle, so that means I'll put it together in like an hour. I love putting together puzzles. I'm really good at them. I feel like they're just a really good way to get off your phone and like throw on a movie or a TV show. So it came in like this really cute can. Also, I think everyone should do packaging like this because this is just like adorable. And then they sent me a deck of cards. Guys, y'all know in high school, I've talked about it before, all we did every day was like play card games, especially like spades. And my friends and I are having like a mini little Christmas party with like 5 or 6 of us in a couple weeks, and we always play games, and card games are like our #1 thing to do. So now I have a deck of cards and we don't have to go get any, because every time we have a game night, like in the past, I always end up losing the cards after. Next we have this Verify 2020, this is a big word, phytoglycin and peptides eye cream. Another eye cream, y'all. And the packaging of this is really pretty, so let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I see gold. Okay, this is just beautiful, and that's gonna look stunning on my counter, and y'all know I'm gonna try it. I have tried so many skincare products from Ipsy, and they have been life-changing. The Sunday Riley A+ retinoid serum has turned to be my favorite thing, and I would have never known about it if it wasn't for Ipsy. Next we have QMS Metacosmetics Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. Another cream. I love this. This is like the best stay. So let's open this container. Ooh, that is so pretty. So we have like a blue theme going on today, so this is gonna give me some new vibes. I love this so much. Okay, this is a very popular brand that I know you've heard of, and everyone uses this. It's the Tula Skincare So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Okay, so this is for your face, because I was gonna say I'm doing fake tan or like a self tanner Friday, so if this was like a body scrub, that would have been perfect, but this is like a face scrub, which I totally need too. And it says it like helps remove blackheads, and y'all know I've talked about it before. I have some blackheads. This I'm so excited about because this is one of my favorite mascaras. It is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and so it is like a travel sized mascara. I don't want to say it's like a mini, and it came in here and it's so cute and adorable, so I'm very excited. And also just in general, if you want to check out this mascara, it's really good, so love It Cosmetics. Next, every single month they send me a brush, and every month somehow the brushes get better and better. This is from Bean Gushies. It is a powder brush. I love their brushes, and I think it's also because I don't have like a lot of these like big fluffy brushes, or I didn't, but now I have so many because of Ipsy, and so this is just fabulous. This is amazing. Okay, they sent me the Nomad X Toscana palette. I have no idea what this is. It is an intense eyeshadow palette. Okay, so it says the destination, like inspo, is Tuscany, Italy, and the inspiration is La Vita e Bella. I really want to travel to Europe. You guys know that's all I talk about on my channel and also in real life, so I'm very excited this is going to be like a reveal. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. These are like my colors because they're warm tones, but there's also like some coolness to them, and these are perfect for winter. I'm very self-conscious about my nails, so just ignore that. But you have this is like a great everyday palette because it has just a whole bunch of neutrals, some shimmers, a little copper if you want to go that way. But if you know me, you know that I'm going to be like in these lighter shades and then also the dark, because that's like pretty much what I do every day. So I am very excited. This is like a good traveling palette too, you know what I'm saying? Like you can create so many different looks because these eyeshadows are so simple, and so these are great like everyday, like day and night palettes. So this is definitely very exciting. The last thing in here, this is so cute and so soft. It is like this very soft material. I don't know what it is. It's not Sharpa. It's like, I don't know, like creamy feeling, like a very soft fabric. And this is like the GLAM BAG Plus. So cute. So I have so many makeup bags now also thanks to Ipsy, so I'm just shocked. That's it for this video. I know this was like kind of brief and like straight to the point, but y'all, I love Ipsy so much and I'm so thankful that they send me this stuff. So thank you, Ipsy. I'm gonna have the information down below, but literally guys, you get so much every month depending on if you get the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag, you get 5 deluxe samples every month and it's literally just $12 a month. And you guys saw like the samples were so cute and amazing, and it's like everything that came in here. I also think that the this superhero eyeshadow, I think this is supposed to go in here. I think it just wasn't this time because this is kind of like a bigger package. So you get so much, and they're always like high quality products. And then the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products, $25 a month, and it's like over $125 worth of product. So you're getting like a very good deal. And I've talked about this before, I feel like anything like this, like an Ipsy membership, would be such a great Christmas gift, because literally if you choose the Glam Bag, you're paying $12 a month, so that's like a $144 present, and then $25 a month, you can do the math on that. So if you have something that you want to get like a really nice gift for but you don't know what to get, let Ipsy do it. You know, get them a membership, like a year-long membership for Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus. I would love to get that personally. That's all for this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out Ipsy. I'm so excited to go put all this stuff in my makeup section in my bathroom, because if you guys saw, I just reorganized all my makeup last week, so I'm very excited, and I'm so excited about this puzzle. Y'all, this is so cute. But yeah, so I cannot wait to get this video up for you guys, and I will see y'all soon in my next one. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.